Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we discuss the Stellar XLM, the current price of Stellar XLM, the prices occurring in the Stellar XLM, the last 1 hour, the last 1 day and the last 1 week. What's the prices occur and what is the next production, what's the next price of the Stellar XLM. In this video I will show you friends, so keep watch this video till the end friends. And if you are new on my channel, so please make sure to subscribe. I will stay channel for more this kind of news and updates friends. Now friends, let's start the video. First of all, we talk about the currently at this time price of the Stellar XLM. As you can see here, 0.605039 USD dollar is the currently price of the Stellar XLM. And if we talk about the prices occur in the Stellar XLM, so the last 1 hour change as positive friends, the last 1 day price change as going negative friends, and again the last 1 week price change as going positive friends. So let's see the price chart of the Stellar XLM for more details. What's going in this chart in the Stellar XLM friends. As you can see here, that is the last only price chart of the Stellar XLM. If we look the pricing occur in the Stellar XLM, so as you can see here on the screen, they take a high jump in. I think that in this jump they are also in the jumping mode friends. And if we look the prices occur in the Stellar XLM, so the price change as negative 4.01%, and the highest price of the Stellar XLM in the last 1 day, I mean the 24-hour highest price of the XLM as 0.636916 USD dollar is the highest price of the XLM in the last 1 day friends. And if you look the prices occur in Stellar XLM at this time, the live price in the market as you can see here is 0.605039 USD dollar is this time price of the XLM and the live in the market friends. So what's the next move of the Stellar XLM? What's my prediction? As you can see here on the screen, if we do technical analysis, if we follow the common phenomena of the cryptocurrencies, so I think that as you can see here at this time a very bad falls occur in the Stellar XLM. As you can see here, that is the biggest fall and very fast falls occur in the Stellar XLM. So on the basis of common phenomena of the cryptocurrencies market, my suggestion, my expectation from the Stellar XLM is that after a falls there is a jump, and as you can see here is not a big jump occur. So I hope that from this point they also taken a jump from highest prime. So as you can see, the next target of the Stellar XLM as to head the price become here friends. That is my next prediction from the Stellar XLM, that it goes to this point friends. What's the price prediction of you? Please share in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates. Thank you so much. Please also share your opinion in the comment box.